So my first recommendation is you want to become unrecognizable by the summertime. You need to think about what this actually looks like for you. So I would create a character, a summer persona of who that person is. For example, maybe right now you are very lazy, you don't really go to the gym, you're not consistent, you binge watch a lot of self-help videos, but you don't really act upon it. The person in the summertime you want to be, she's fit. Maybe she weighs like 3 kilograms less. She's toned. How does she get that? She goes to Pilates every day. She's consistent. She eats clean. She doesn't drink alcohol. So you need to figure out what is the discrepancy between who you currently are and who that person in the summertime is. And then step number 2, once you're very clear, make a ChatGPT bot to talk to. I know it's crazy, but I'm telling you, it really, really helps. It shifts me so much when I do this. It's like talking to a better version of myself. So you need to have ChatGPT 4 to do this. And what you do is you go create your own GPT. You paste all the qualities of the person you want to be in there, and you can basically just talk to it. And then thirdly, I would make a mind movie of how I want my life to go. Essentially, you can put all these images of what you want your life to be like, your dream body, layer it with affirmations and motivational music or songs that you like that feel empowering to you. And then you can watch this when you wake up in the morning, when you go to bed. I listen to it when I'm driving or just when I feel like I need a little motivational boost because it gets me into that state. Start making bone broth. I'm telling you, and I've said this in this video, bone broth is what changed my skin. It made my skin so much more plump. Any tiny little fine lines I had disappeared within 1 week of drinking bone broth. You know when people want to glow up, because I'm a victim of doing this as well, we create this very grand plan to like revolutionize our life, and it's so different from who we currently are. For example, you're someone that wakes up at 10 a.m. Okay, I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Like, it's not happening. Your body can't even adjust. So what I recommend is, you know, going back to step 1, when you're figuring out the discrepancies between who you are and who you want to be, ease into that. So yes, for example, the wake up time, 5 a.m. You want to wake up. You currently wake up 10 a.m. Do 9 a.m. tomorrow. The following week, do 8 a.m. You need to ease into it. You want your dream body. Okay, I haven't worked out in 5 years. I'm not just going to go to the gym, start lifting 80 kilograms tomorrow. Maybe you might start with easy Pilates classes, something that is very simple for you to do so that you can become consistent, because consistency is what is going to build your habits. But you need to make it very easy and accessible for you to do. Before I went to the gym, I would do blogolates on YouTube. Like, I have a couple of videos which I'm super loyal to, and I would do these every day. And if I didn't want to do it one day, I would just think about how if I could do it the previous day and I need to be 1% better, only 1% better today, then I should just do it. And that's what made it a habit for me. What I recommend is put it into ChatGPT. Like, make your plan and then ask ChatGPT to break it down for you day by day. I also recommend intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting will help you lean up and shed weight. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. If you do need to have caffeine, have a tea. If you improve your sleep, you're naturally going to have a glow up because you're going to have more energy to get all these things done in the day and have more concentration. If my sleep isn't good, I really cannot get anything done. Cut out partying. If you're someone who parties a lot, babe, save it for the summertime. Save it for the summertime. We outside in the summertime, but right now, we're not outside. Yeah, no partying. Try to be in bed by 9 or 10 p.m. I know, shocking for a lot of you. In Chinese medicine, according to the body clock, it's actually ideal for us to be fast asleep by 10 p.m. because that's when our liver, because that is the best time for our liver to, man, I don't even know what it's called. Our liver function or something. More protein and more healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fats. It's what's going to make your skin glow. Lots of avocado, lots of olive oil, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, nuts, and eat more protein, especially if you're in the gym. Cut out one bad habit every single week. Like I said, we're starting slow. So you can't just like jump into it. It's really hard to just change overnight. So every week, just cut out one bad habit and replace it with one good habit. And here are some bonus tips. I mean, look, you can go check out all my glow up videos, but I know you guys want some actionable superficial tips right here for you to physically glow up. Number 1, stop tanning. Tanning is really bad for your skin. You're going to age so fast. You're going to be at risk of skin cancer. Embrace your natural skin color. But if you do want a natural tan, I really recommend Bondi Sands Gradual Tanning Lotion. Teeth whitening strips. I swear by the Crest whitening strips or the Oral-B whitening strips. I do it maybe twice a year. And I don't even do the whole like 14 strips in one go. I just do it until I feel like my teeth are whiter. And in general, I always use a teeth whitening toothpaste, but don't use it too often. I use it once a day because it can strip the enamel off your teeth and it makes them more sensitive. Next, get a haircut, like trim those split ends off. Start to do like a hair mask to get your hair strong. You can use K18. I would meditate and visualize every single morning of who I want to be, what I want to manifest into my life and get into that state. If I wasn't an influencer, I would totally do this. I would delete my Instagram. I would delete all social media and go ghost and just get really fucking hot and come back and shock the world.